Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to check if your WhatsApp is logged in another device or not. So in this, I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to check your WhatsApp is logged in other device or not. So let's jump to our video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on mobile device. Now you can see here, I already opened my WhatsApp application on my mobile. So inside that, you can see a three dot icon on the right side on top. So tap on that. So inside that you will get different options like a new group, new broadcast, linked device, sterile message, payment and setting and all. So from that now you can see third option, link device. So you have to tap on that. So here you can check that how many devices are connected or how many times you logged in other devices and all. It will show everything. Now you can see here my WhatsApp is logged in window. So I also show the timing. It was active today at this time and all. So in this way you can check your WhatsApp that it's logged in other device or not. So if you want to log out from this, you have to tap on that. Now you can see here logout option is there. On tap on that logout and you can log out from here. So in this way you can check that your WhatsApp is logged in other device or not. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.